Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of stamping with a closer look at the ExcelMark black ink refill for self-inking stamps. If you're in need of crisp, clear impressions for your self-inking stamps, look no further. This black refill ink from ExcelMark is your go-to solution. Let's talk about why this is the best stamper ink available right now. First off, it's compatible with a variety of stamp brands including ExcelMark, Trodat, 2000+, and Shiny.
That means no matter what stamp you have, this refill ink has got you covered.
Plus, its water-based formula ensures that you get consistently sharp and clear impressions every time you stamp.
No smudging, no smearing, just professional results. But what really sets this product apart is its convenience. The 2-ounce size is perfect for both office and crafting needs, giving you plenty of ink to keep your stamps running smoothly. Whether you're marking documents in the office or adding a personal touch to your crafts at home, this black refill ink is versatile enough to handle it all.
So there you have it, folks.
When it comes to stamping, the ExcelMark black ink refill is the cream of the crop.
Say goodbye to dull impressions and hello to professional-grade results. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy stamping!